Can I have a burp sink, please? Whoa. What's going on, Reshoevn8r? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning these beat Chuck Taylor Highs. As you can see, they've probably seen some better days. And I am going to be cleaning these with our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Now guys, before we get started, there is a lot of just like dried dirt on the uppers that isn't necessarily need to be there. I mean, like, as you can see, it could just come off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take these outside. I'm gonna smack the shoes together a few times, maybe even take a dry brush and just get all that excess dirt off. And then we'll come back and start this cleaning. So let's go. All right guys, if you hear some beeping, that is just our neighbor's alarm going off. I don't know why they can't control it, but it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go and smack these together real quick. See if I get some of that dirt. I am gonna take the all-purpose brush dried. I'm just gonna go and hit it. Let's go inside, let's get these clean. All right guys, now that I am back inside from getting those dust free, I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean the right pair today. So I'm gonna put this left one to the side. Next is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 9. So I'm gonna take it up to the 5th hole. There, close to the edge. Gonna make sure I put that all the way in. Here, clamp down. What that's gonna allow us to do is apply more pressure right here on this toe box. And as you can see, it helped reshape it as well. So let me just put it side by side. Now the next step, guys, is to remove the laces. Whoa. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, before I get into this cleaning, guys, I do want to give you guys some backstory of this shoe. We actually had a friend of a friend of a friend of ours go on a European trip who actually got these dirty in Texas and was lucky enough to bless us with the dirty pair to get clean for you guys. So let's go ahead and start the cleaning. First step is to grab our bottle of solution, pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, and begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. You want to do a video, you said, Quinn? There you go. Whoa. All right guys, I am done cleaning these uppers with the soft bristle brush, but as you can see, they are still dingy right here on the tongue as well and on this other side panel. So what I'm gonna go ahead and try to do is use our all-purpose brush and get a deeper clean. If it doesn't clean, then hopefully the laundry system will go ahead and get those out. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean these uppers using that all-purpose brush. All right guys, I am done hitting up these uppers with the all-purpose brush. I mean, as I stated before, I wasn't sure how good it would work. It did get a little bit of the stains out from this tongue here and the sides, but it still is dirty, so hopefully the laundry system will go ahead and take care of that. Now guys, I am gonna move on to the midsoles and the outsoles using our stiff bristle brush. Let's go ahead and clean that now. All right guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up on the outsoles. Go ahead and check it out. Not sure what was on the outsole of this, but it looks like it had some kind of fabric on the outsole that's starting to tear away from wear and tear. As you can see, these were worn a lot. So that's not actually dirt or anything that wasn't supposed to be on the shoe. That was already there that started to peel. So the next step, guys, is to clean the laces. So I'm gonna put those to the side. Grab these laces, dump them in our bowl of solution and water mix. Oh, I got 3 of them that time, Lee. All right, guys, I think I am done with these laces. The next step in this process is gonna be to put the shoes inside our sneaker laundry bag. Just gonna go ahead and put it in there. Get the laces, toss them in as well. Secure it up. Now let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, so the next step is to throw these chucks in the wash, just like that. Grab our sneaker laundry detergent. You're gonna wanna loosen the cap and squeeze it. Go ahead and just pour it right on the shoe. It's not gonna hurt it. Just go ahead and close that up. Turn it on, wash, cold water, normal cycle, and then go ahead and hit start. And we'll be back in an hour. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry, and as you can see, the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system did its thing. Now, one thing I do want to point out, guys, is these laces kind of have that stain from the metal little hoops right here that unfortunately I couldn't get out after the one wash, but I'm sure if I went ahead and did some more cleaning on the laces, it would come out. Also, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is still a few more deep stains here, and like I said, I'm sure I could be able to get it out if I did a second wash, but I am not too worried about it because the results, as you can see for yourself, speak for themselves. So once again, guys, this was all achieved using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Yo, hit that like button if you like this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what kicks do you have in your rotation on your trips, because like we said, our friend of a friend of ours went ahead and took these to France and went on a whole European adventure and got these dirty. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. I would love to hear what you guys carry in your travel bag. I'm Jonny Bubbles. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.